नमस्कार दोस्तों, हम ट्रैफिक इंफ्राटेक के डे 2 पे हैं और हमारे साथ बहुत स्पेशल गेस्ट हैं। ITS इंडिया फोरम के डायरेक्टर जनरल डॉक्टर शिव हमारे साथ हैं। Between the show in Atlanta and the show in India, what are the similarities and what are the differences broadly?
Similarity is basically our young companies. They are also coming up with the innovative solutions. They are trying their best
in both the places.
Both the places they are.
So I wanted to know from you, since you were there in the ITS Atlanta and you are there in the ITS India in the Traffic Tech, what are the similarities and what are the differences?
One of the similarity I see is the startups are everywhere, whether it's in India, whether it's going anywhere across the globe, whether Atlanta or Dubai or Korea. So startups are coming up and they are basically emerging in this arena. Second is, that we have a very globally established, proven solutions from across the globe, which has been practiced over the years. But in India, I will say we are very inception stage.
Okay.
So that's the key difference. Best way to move forward.
Focus technologies. What were the 2 or 3 focus areas in Atlanta and what are the 2 or 3 focus areas in India according to you?
Everywhere, the AI is the buzzword.
AI is the buzzword.
Drone is coming up in all the solutions.
Okay. AI, drone.
AI and drone, they are there.
Okay.
Some people are talking about the blockchain. Some people are talking about the LIDAR and this type of technologies. The AI into the cameras, being used into the different way. The enforcement has been one of the big focus of basically across the globe.